Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a comparison of my two beautiful Dreamliners. Make sure to like and subscribe as always. Follow me on Instagram. So on the left here we have our Lot 787 Phoenix Dreamliner, and on the right here we've got the Egypt JC Wings Dreamliner. So let's get into it. Firstly, let me just say they are both -9 Dreamliners, and the size is of course the same like it should be, because it's annoying how sometimes some models, even though they are the same plane, they're pretty much off, and sometimes you can never see it and it's really bad. But this time they are the same in terms of the size. I think I would recommend both of them. However, let's get into the good and bad about each one. So good about this JC one is the livery. They did the livery really nicely. I think they used the right shade of red and white. Egypt livery is also done beautifully on this Phoenix. No issues there. The fan blades on this Phoenix are see-through, which I think I prefer rather than this Phoenix design. These might look better at first, but I don't know, it's just a preference, I guess. I prefer this, more see-through. The cockpit windows, they are a little tinted on this one, while on the Phoenix they are just plain grey, which I think is more realistic on the JC, on the slot one. It's nice how they added the Rolls-Royce logo underneath. If I just flip both models around, you can see the amount of detail JC put into this. All that is brilliant. While Phoenix, they tried it, but they've got one line going through, while here there isn't one, so I don't know which one is better, but both have insane detail overall. Now one issue with the JC one is, if you go back here to the tail, this is the issue. See, just gently press, it bends the whole tail, which is bad. Because if I press on the Phoenix, nothing moves. And no, this is not like damage caused by me. I think that's how they designed the model. You can feel even it's like plastic, the tail and the spoilers. See how easily that bends? Right on here, solid. This is not going anywhere. So that's one bad thing about this JC Dreamliner, but it's only really a minor thing. Here you can tell all the flap details. You can't on the Phoenix, but you have the lights, the red and green light right there. I mean, it's a nice little bit of detail because you don't have it on here. I don't know, I just like that more. In terms of the wings, I think I prefer the Phoenix ones, how they are pointing more upwards like that. While JC are kind of flat and then go up. I'm not sure which one's more realistic, but I think Phoenix did a better job there. Also, final thing, the gear. Phoenix always puts like the metal wheels, that silver bit, they paint it silver to make it realistic, while JC, this is grey and it looks dull, it doesn't look as realistic as that. So that's the comparison. I'm not sure who won, you decide in the comments. Which one do you prefer, Phoenix or JC? Thank you for watching and goodbye.